Hello students, welcome to science class. Today I will be discussing chapter number 7 and the name of the chapter is animals that live in water. Animals that live in water. Some animals live on land, some animals live in water. So today we are going to discuss about those animals who live in water. So many animals live in water, some animals in lakes, rivers and ponds. Others live in the salty water of the sea. So many animals live in water. Some live in ponds, some live in lakes, some live in ocean, seas, and some live in rivers. Okay, so there are many animals. There are different types of animals, different kinds of animals who live in water. Okay, they are said to be an aquatic animals. They are otherwise said to be an also aquatic animals. The animals those who live in water are said to be an aquatic animals. So fish live in rivers, ponds, lakes and seas. So the most popular, the most popular, you know the name of a fish, that live in water, They live in river water, they live in lakes, they live in oceans and in a salty water, that is in ocean or seas, But they live only in water. They are said to be an aquatic animals, So some eat plants growing in water, some eat small fish. Fish have fins to help them swim. So some fish eat some other small fish. So some fish eat the plants which are grown in the water. They eat that plant. Water plant. They eat that plant which grows in water. So fish have fins, so it helps them to swim, propel, so that move forward. Fish, the fins which is present on the body of a fish, it helps them to swim, to move forward, to propel. Fish have fins to help them swim. Some people keep fish in aquariums, So usually we know that fish always live in the seas, rivers, water, seas, rivers, lakes and oceans, Not only that, some people they keep inside the aquarium also, different fish like golden fish, These are all the, when you see this golden fish, it attracts us, So beautiful fish, small fishes, They are kept inside the aquarium to decorate the room, So as a decorative part, So aquarium means, you can see here the picture of an aquarium is here. The aquarium is made of glass, The four sides of the aquarium is full of glass and inside that they keep small fish, Small fish, it looks so beautiful, It attracts people, So like golden fish, then like white golden fish, different colors, different types of fish, they are grown inside the aquarium, So whales in the sea, but they are two fish. They are not fish. They are the largest of all the animals. Dolphins are not fish. They are very clever and friendly. Whales and dolphins eat fish and other small animals. So you have heard about the names of whales, Whales and dolphins, They are not fish. They are said to be a mammals, Although they live in water, although they are aquatic animals, but they are not fish. Although their structure is like an fish, but still they are mammals, Mammals means those who feed milk to their babies, those who give baby birth directly without any egg, So they are mammals, So there are different mammalian characters are there, As we are mammals, So human beings feed, feed their babies milk, So the same way the dolphins and the whales are also mammals. They are not fish, but they live in water. They are very clever and friendly. Whales and dolphins eat fish and other small animals. Yes, whales and dolphins eat other fish, other small fish, or other small animals which are present in water. So they are very friendly with human beings. You have seen in the television itself, you have heard in the news that dolphins are quite friendly with animals. They can understand the language of animals, okay, if they are trained, okay. So many dolphin shows you have seen in the television shows, okay. So that's why the dolphins are trained to entertain people, okay. So dolphins are quite friendly with animals, friendly with human beings, okay. They are not very harmful. They are not harmful to the human beings, especially dolphin. So frogs and toads can live in water and on land. So frogs, you have seen many frogs, okay. They live in water also, frogs and toads, okay. So they live in water as well as on the land. They are said to be an amphibians, okay. So those animals who live in water as well as land, they are amphibians, okay. So frog and toads. Not only that, some snakes also can live in water, okay. Their hind legs are very long to help them jump. The toes of the hind legs are joined by the skin. This helps them swim. They eat insects. Yes, frogs and toads eat insect. You have their tongue is very long, okay, and folded inside their mouth, okay. When they want to catch their prey, they open up their tongue. It's quite long, and after catching their prey, they keep inside. Folding, they can fold their tongues inside the mouth, okay. By folding, they keep inside. Not only that, the hind legs, okay, the hind legs of frog, okay, it is attached with the skin. You have seen, like if suppose you think this one is a hind leg, suppose you imagine this one is a hind legs of the frog, okay. The fingers are attached with the skin. In this, I am not having a skin in this areas, okay, but the frogs are having skin in these areas. They are attached. It helps them to swim in the water, okay. So propel in the water, move forward, okay. So crocodiles and alligators are like big lizards. They spend a lot of time in water. They eat fish, birds and other mammals. Crocodile and alligators, okay. They are very cruel animal, okay. So if they find anything, very fast they attack on their prey. Very fastly they attack, okay. So crocodiles and alligators are similar. It is quite similar, okay. If you see from far away, crocodiles and alligators are similar, but some minute differences are there, okay. Alligators have a U-shaped mouth, okay, U-shaped, and crocodiles are having a very narrow mouth, that is a V-shaped mouth, okay. So V-shaped nostrils, so a V-shaped nostrils they are having. That is the difference between crocodile and alligator. Other than this, they are similar. They are a reptiles, okay. So they live in water. They can live in water as well as on the land also. So they are said to be an amphibians, okay. So here your chapter ends here. If you have any doubt, you can contact me between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I'll clarify your doubt. Thank you.